Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial I will show you how to buy gift cards of any game, any service, anything you want in this world using crypto. Of course, if you want to any platform, you will not have the opportunity to buy something using cryptocurrencies. For example, Amazon, Netflix, Steam, and etc. But there is some application actually that give you this opportunity, for example Steam, but they give it only for few regions, not every single country. So in our case, or in my case, I can't really get this gift card of Steam or whatever the application is in my country. So what I am doing in this situation, I have this really cool website that actually can give me anything I want, which called Bitrefill. So here, and this website basically gives you anything using crypto, whatever you want. So it is Free Fire, Diamond, Roblox USD, PUBG Mobile, RuneScape, and so go on. The list never ends. So for example, if you want to entertainment, you will find here activity gifts, share credit. If you want to gaming, you will find the whole section of games, gift cards, PUBG Mobile, Fortnite, Forza Horizon, Mobile Legends, if we go more, Minecraft, Ori, Overcooked 2, and Sims 4, and so the list goes on. Basically, it is so good. This website is really good. So if you want to gift other products, cashew, perfect money, there is also VoIP, Skype, data, there is these ones, also there is some other bundles, and also you can actually buy like some coin cards, foundation, the light installed capacity, some experiences if you want, e-commerce, something like that, all gift cards if you want to see them all, even some credit card and like gift cards of hotels.com, guys. And so yeah, that was how you can actually get this card. So if you want to buy something, you click on add to cart and you buy it with your cryptocurrencies. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.